Let me show you how to make this delicious cheeseburger. Start by placing down a sheet of parchment paper. Oops, let's try that again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Now take your ground beef and place it on the parchment paper. It's called ground beef because it's from the ground, which is different to water beef, which is best kept in the washing machine. And don't even get me started on air beef. Now beat your meat with both of your hands. This will tenderize the beef and make your burger much more succulent. Now simply form the beef into a burger patty. And I always add a cute little smiley face into my patty. This is because you say cheese when you smile, so this helps the burger go from a normal beef burger to a cheeseburger. Now I have had my pan preheating on a medium heat, so I'm just going to add a small splash of oil. Now just add your smiley beef face down into the pan and let it sear nicely. And now you can just season lightly with a small pinch of black pepper and a few cracks of salt. And add a small amount of garlic for an added depth of flavor. You can now just press your burger down firmly to ensure your patty gets a perfectly even sear. But be careful not to press too hard. Otherwise, you might break your spatula. After just a couple of minutes, we're ready to flip the burger. Let's check that sear. Perfect. Next, add grated cheddar, feta cheese, ham, 3/4 of a peanut butter sandwich, baked beans, punch in a sausage roll, baby food, an entire bottle of Peroni, chocolate squirty cream, and the can for garnish. Now just check your bun that's been toasted over a candle. Perfect. Add a smear of burger relish to your bun. Add your perfectly cooked cheeseburger. Top with the mandatory pickles and enjoy.